up and down. It's like she doesn't really know the difference between up and down. So she's going up and down.
Up and down. Up and down.
Bow.
Wow. Nice. Careful. What's the matter?
No idea. Let's find out.
That's what I call up and down. Can I be next?
Blow some bubbles?
Did you ever do job interviews at the bank?
Did I interview people? Yeah. But we were really, like, I'm sure the HR people ask whatever questions are really appropriate. And we just, you know, well, it was pretty informal. It was like asking whatever you feel is important. Like these broad questions, like what was your biggest accomplishment? What is this, you know, when did you, well, I forgot which one I just read, so I was